We have to go through these questions of the second exercise, of which first question is Salma borrowed from Mahila Samiti a sum of rupees 1875. Sum is called principal. I have told you before. So principal here is 1875 rupees to purchase a sewing machine. If the rate of interest is 4%, rate is 4%, what is the compound interest that she has to pay after 2 years? Time is 2 years, rate is 4%, principal is 1875. Okay. So question is principal is 1875 rupees, rate is 4%, and time here is 2 years. We have to calculate total interest, means interest of first year plus second year. Okay, so starting our answer for first year, principal, what will be our principal? Principal will be the sum we borrowed, actual sum. No changes, as by now no interest has been charged as we took the money, and it is only the amount that on which the interest is charged. So for the first year, principal is this, rate will be 4% itself, but and time here will be taken up as 1 year, as interest is to be calculated only for the first year, and first year is only 1 year. So interest 1 is P into R upon 100, as T here is 1 year. So P here is 1875 into 4 upon 100 into 1. Okay. So here reducing it by 4, we will get 25. By 25 we will get here 25 and 175. It will give 60s, so 65. Okay, so 65 rupees. Okay, no, sorry, 75 rupees. It is 75. Okay, 75 rupees. So this is the interest for the first year. Interest 1. Okay, this is 75 rupees. So now amount after first year, this will be called the principal for the second year. Will be 1875 plus 75. It will give 0 1 1 5 9 1950. Okay, this is the principal for the second year. Okay, so principal 2 means second will be rupees, second year 1950. Rate here is again the 4%. Time here will be 1 year, as we have to calculate interest for the second year only, not the whole, but only the second year. Okay, so interest for second year will be P into R into 1 upon 100. 1 here is time, so P here is 1950 into 4 upon 100. 4s are, this will be 78. So interest, second will be 78 rupees. So total interest will be interest 1 plus interest 2. Interest 1 is 75 rupees, interest 2 is 78 rupees. So this will be 153 rupees will be the total interest charged to that lady in 2 years. Our next question here is, a man invests rupees 46,875 at 4%. Invest means this is the principal. Rate here is 4%. Time here is 3 years. Okay, we have to first calculate interest for the first year. So we will start with the question. Okay, so principal here is, principal for first year will be 46,875 rupees. We'll confirm it once. It is 46,875. Time is 3 and rate is 4. Time, total time is 3 years. Rate is 4%. So it is compounded. It is compound interest. That is, we will find the interest per year. Okay, we will find the interest per year, annual compound interest. Compound interest, that is, we will calculate per year. Okay, so interest of first year will be principal into R into T, into 1 upon 100. Y1 for the first year time will be only 1 year. Okay, we have to calculate only the first year period, for first year period. So time here is 1 year. So principal in the starting for the first year would be the original amount, original principal. So 46,875 into 4 into 1 upon 100, 25. Okay, if we should do it via dividing it normally. 46,875 divided by 25. 1 is 25, remainder is 21, and 8 is 200 minus 18, then 7 it will be 7 175 minus 12, then 5 it is 5 125, remainder is 0. Okay, it is 1875. Deducting it by 25, 1875 is the interest for first year, rupees 1875. Okay, so what will be the amount after first year? Will be 46,875 the principal and the interest 1875. Okay, we will add it. 46,875 1875 1015 1784. So it is rupees 48,750. This becomes principal 2 for the second year, rupees 48,750. What we have to calculate? We had to calculate the interest for the first year. So interest for the first year comes out to be rupees 1875. The second part that we have to find is amount to his credit at the end of second year, means what amount he has to return at the end of second year. Means this was the amount he had to return. 18750 was the amount he had to return at the end of first year. So at the end of second year he will have to return an amount. Means he will have to return an amount after calculating interest on it. So interest second year will be, principal here will be 48750 into 4 upon 100 into 1, 25 sir. Okay, it will come out to be 1950. Okay, cutting it by 25, it will come out to be 1950. Okay, rupees 1950. So amount after second year will be, principal for the second year 48750 plus 1950 0 1 0 1 7. This will be 105. So rupees 50,700. This is the amount after second year. So this is our second part answer. The amount for the seventh after the end of second year. And third, you have to find interest for third year. You have to calculate only the interest for third year. So this will be principal for third year will be the amount of the second year. Means after second year we have to pay rupees 50,700. This amount that we have to pay after second year is kept for the interest for the third year. Okay, for the third year principal becomes rupees 50,700. Rate is the same, 4%. So interest for third year will be P into R into 1. Time is only for the third year. Third year time duration only 1 year upon 100. 100 divided by this 507 into 4. This comes out to be 2028 rupees. This is the interest to be paid at the end of third year. This is the interest only for the third year, not the total interest. Interest only for the third year. Okay, we have to calculate only this. In this third question, the question says calculate the amount and compound interest on rupees 5,000. Principal is 5,000, time is 2 years. When the rate of interest is successive years for successive years is 6 and 8%. Means when we calculate the interest for the first year, the rate will be taken 6% and interest for second year is 8%. So we will start with the question. So question here is principal for first year. Is the original principal given in the question 5,000. Time is 2 years and rate for first year is 6%. Interest for first year will be P into R into time is 1 year. For first year, time will always remain 1 year. For second year, it will be 1 year, because that's the duration of only 1 year. Upon 100, principal is 5,000, rate is 6%, time is 1, and upon 100 it gives 300 rupees as interest on first year. So amount after 1 year will be 5,000 principal plus interest, that is 5,300 rupees. This is principal plus this is interest. Okay, what does the question says further? The second year rate of interest is 8%. So the amount of second after 1 year means it is principal for second year. So principal for second year is rupees 5,300, means at the end of first year we need to pay 5,300 to the money lender, and that money is carried forward as whole amount for interest. So this is the whole amount that we had to return. So rate of interest for second year is 8%. So interest for second year is P into R into 1 upon 100. Time for the second year, that duration of second year is 1 year. So 5,300 into 8 into 1 upon 100. 53 into 8 gives 424 rupees. This is the interest for the second year. We have to calculate the interest, we have to calculate the amount after 2 years. So amount after 2 years is P of second year plus I of second year, that is 5,300 plus 424, that is 5,724 rupees. This is the amount after 2 years. Our last question in this exercise is calculate the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on rupees 20,000 for 2 years at 8% interest. So we have to find the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest, only the interest part. Okay, here principal is 20,000, time is 2 years, rate is 8%. So principal is rupees 20,000, time is 2 years, rate is 8%. Okay, so we have to find SI, CI, and we have to just subtract them. So proceeding with the SI part first. SI has a formula P into R into T upon 100. Here P is 20,000, R is 8 into 2 upon 100. This is reduced. So 16 into 2, 32, 100 rupees. This is the SI. Now we'll calculate the compound interest for CI. P for principal first year will be rupees, the initial amount. Principal for the first year will be the initial amount. So here rate is for first year is 8%. So interest for first year equals to P into R into 1 upon 100. So 20,000 into 8 into 1 upon 100, it comes out to be rupees 1,600. So amount after first year is 20,000 plus 1,600 that is 21600 rupees. So this is principal for second year, rupees 21600. Okay, so rate here is, rate for second year is 8% itself. So interest for second year will be P into R into 1 upon 100. Here P is 21600 into 8 into 1 upon 100. It comes out to be 216 into 8. It will be 1744. Sorry, 1700. 18. Okay, 1718 rupees. It is the interest for the second year. So total CI is equals to interest for first year plus interest for second year. This is 1600 plus this. 1718. It will be 1728. 1728 rupees. Okay, 1728. Here it will be 1728. So it will come out to be 3328 rupees. So CI minus SI, we have to find a difference. CI, total CI is 3328, SI is 3200. It comes out to be 128 rupees.